Welcome to the Rider Pro What If Harley-Davidson went all in on a modern, performance-focused V-twin for 2026. Today we're talking about the 2026 Harley-Davidson V2R, a bike that's generating buzz as a next-gen, sport-leaning evolution of Harley's DNA. This isn't about chrome and nostalgia. This is about speed, tech, and a sharper edge. Design, classic muscle. Modern cut, the V2R is imagined with a stripped-down, aggressive stance, low bars, compact bodywork, and a muscular fuel tank that still screams Harley. LED lighting, sharp tail lines, and exposed mechanical elements give it a modern street fighter vibe, while the V-twin silhouette keeps it unmistakably American. Engine and D. Performance, V-twin. Reimagined at the heart of the V2R is a rumored high-revving V-twin tuned for performance rather than cruising. Think stronger top-end power, reduced vibration, and a lighter overall package. This would place the V2R closer to performance nakeds than traditional cruisers without losing that signature torque hit. Technology. Harley meets the future. The V2R is expected to showcase Harley's latest tech ambitions, a full-color TFT display, ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and smartphone connectivity. This is Harley competing head-to-head with modern performance brands, not just on sound, but on smarts. Handling and ride, built to be ridden. Hard with upgraded suspension, radial brakes, and a more aggressive riding geometry. The V2R is all about control and confidence. This is a Harley designed for twisty roads, quick acceleration, and riders who want to push, not just pose. Who is the V2R for? The 2026 Harley-Davidson V2R feels aimed at a new generation. Riders who love Harley's attitude but demand modern performance. It's for people who want a V-twin with edge, tech, and real-world aggression without abandoning the brand's soul. Outro, a bold step forward. If the V2R becomes reality, it could mark a major shift for Harley-Davidson, one that bridges heritage and high performance. Less nostalgia, more adrenaline, and a clear message. Harley isn't just keeping up with the future, it's chasing it.